Hey friends, it's Sam with Paper Vessels. How are you? Welcome back. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, amazing week, amazing everything. So I have some hauls for you. I went to Tuesday morning, I think for the last time. No, it's not. I don't think so. When I talked to the guy when I went last time, which was, I think it was Friday, and today's Tuesday, so it was a few days ago. I did ask him how long they were going to be open, when are they closing. He said they did not have a date yet. And I said, are you getting more deliveries? He said, right now in the back room, we have boxes stacked so high, so much stuff back there that we still have to put out. And a lot of the stuff is stuff I've never seen in Tuesday morning before. So their last hurrah, I guess they want to go out with a bang. But so yeah, I probably will be heading back. Yeah. So this time it was 20% all of the craft stuff. When I went 2 weeks ago, it was only 10%. So a little bit more of a discount this time, which was great. One of the first things that I got was this Kelly Creates workbook. It's a little beat up, but I really don't care. I mean, it wasn't expensive. I guess you're supposed to be using watercolor. I don't know anything about, lettering or calligraphy, or I don't know anything. So I'm a beginner -25, but it looks like this, when you watercolor, you can see through, and this is what I think it is. And you can basically just letter, practice, and then I guess wipe it clean and do it again. So I'm looking forward to trying that. At least that's what I say. I may not do it ever and just end up giving it to somebody. Who knows? Quien sabe? Because I do what I want. All right, so these are going to be hard because, the packaging, but I got some more Cherry Lynn Designs. I'm going to stand up so I can see. Cherry Lynn Designs dies. And this one is carved, what is it? Coved stitch rectangular small. So that's a fun one. I got this one that's kind of like a Celtic style. That one's cool. Sorry, the light's like terrible with this thing. I also got, this one was on clearance, and this is like a little travel bag. You can kind of see it here. And then it says travel. So that's this. That is from Carta Bella. Stamps from Simple Stories. Those look really fun. Is there any way not to get a glare? For Lord's sake, Jesus help me. Pray for me, friends. And this is another Simple Stories lemonade. So fun. That's what they're supposed to do. Sorry, it's just freaking light. Maker's Movement ice cream cone. I had passed this one up before because I didn't think I would use it, and I don't know if I'll use it, but I got it. Whatever. This one is Whimsical Hearts. It's actually a fabric cutting die set. So I thought that was fun. Those will cut fabric, so maybe it'll be easier to make certain projects with them. I've never used this one, Crafter's Edge. I've never heard of that brand, but there's a lot of brands I've never heard of because I don't get out much. I did get, this is, it says Just Hitched. Like some wedding stickers. My daughter's getting married in December, and she thinks she's country now. So I also got some more of these stamps in Spanish. I didn't see these before, so these had to be new. These had to have just come in. But there's all these sentiments. Look at all that. That is cute. So I got 2 of them, and those are the only ones that I saw. So that's it for Tuesday morning this time around. See what I get next time. Next thing is Zulily. Again, packaging. It's just going to be a big fat glare. But I have shopped with Zulily actually for a long time. And I mean, it started off whenever those flash websites were like super popular. There was a lot of them. I don't even remember all the names. But, people would buy all kinds of stuff. Clothing, I think, was the biggest thing. But I like to get a lot of my crafty stuff from them. Sometimes they have really good deals. And you can even do like little payments if you're ordering something bigger or more expensive. But I did a lot of Sizzix. They had a really good Sizzix sale. And I got the letters that have, my goodness. Oh, that looks good. We'll do that. Okay. that have the stars at the bottom. So we've got uppercase and lowercase letters. I think that's really cute. And these are just like the little sizzlets. So this is huge. I did not expect this one to be quite this big, but look how big that is. Look at, and look how gorgeous they are. Can you see that? I kind of have to tilt it because of the glare. And this one is called Large Tropicals. Is it? There it is. This one is fun. I can't wait to use that one. I also have been getting a lot of characters lately. I haven't been doing hauls because, number one, I'm a private person. People don't need to know my business. That's why I'm on YouTube and Instagram, because I am such a private person. But, I mean, I've been getting the characters. I really like them. I think they're adorable. I know I'm setting myself up because they're colorized, and there's probably going to be a lot of paper piecing, but I really wanted them, so I ended up getting those a while back from Zulily as well. So this one is our little pinguino. Look how cute. I just love it. He is Eugene, and there is the number. God. And I also got, this is from the newer Tim Holtz release. I like that you get all the letters from the alphabet. I think that's really cute. I have been wanting this one. So it's wood slice. I'll put a link to Zulily if you've never shopped with them before. I think they give you a credit if you sign up through someone who's already done it, like a referral link. Do they give you like a $15 credit or something like that? I don't know. I'll have to check, but I'll put the link below. So if you sign up through that, I think they'll give you something. I'm not sure. I'll have to look. I also got this from the newer Tim Holtz release. I saw someone use this die and they did kind of like a Mad Hatter theme. I was done. I had to have it after that. Those makers that he has are ridiculously talented. This one is called Tailored. And there's your number. If you can see it in the middle of this freaking light. Jeez Louise. This is an older one too, I think. I have been eyeing this one for a while. Ended up getting that. That one is called Small Tattered Florals. So that's a lot of dies in there. How many is it? Does it say? 21 dies. Alert. I got this one. It's very abstract. I also saw them use this to make like mushrooms with some of these pieces. To continue with like the Alice in Wonderland theme. Somebody did that. If I can find it, I'll link it. It was on Instagram, but so talented. And I know it was one of the makers. Abstract Elements. And there's your number. I also got this, obviously, for the Alice in Wonderland theme because I'm a sucker for that. But there's a lot of things you can make with this, right? Those are more colorized. I'm setting myself up, girl. Oh no, Finlets. What is it called? Paper Cut Cafe. That's funny. That's a cute name. I also got this guy. I am in love with cardinals, birds in general, but cardinals especially. And I do have this die that I got in a D-stash recently. So this coordinates with that really well. So I thought, why not? Love that. Have this. Do it. This is an Eileen Hull as well. So I love all of her stuff. And it is Wreath and Snowflake. There's your number. I feel like the Eileen Hull love thing that I have, it's all courtesy of Natalie, who's like, what, My Crafty Carousel or something like that on Instagram. I can't remember anybody's names. But I've just come to really appreciate her stuff, Eileen's stuff. And man, it's just so, what is this one called? Mini Slimline Antiquates. It's just so versatile. You can use it in so many things. And I love the fact that she goes on and does all these lives. I've seen a lot of her lives lately, Eileen's. And she goes on there and shows you how to use her dies and how this coordinates with that, or this will fit inside this when you create it. So much stuff. So I also got this one, which is the card waterfall and tags. There's the number for you. Sorry. This light is terrible. So that's cute. I really like this one because I like mail and letters and postcards. I like all that kind of stuff. This is Eileen's as well. This one is called journaling card, envelope, and window. Let's see if I can do that. Ugh. Dios mío. I really like that. A lot. I also got this big Mama Jamma. And these are her newest releases. I think this one is too. And they were like, I did not pay full price. I want to say that this was like, what, $60, $50, $60 on Sizzix. And I think I got this for 30. So at this time, that's the best price that I've seen. And who knows, you know, once they run out, it probably will go up even more because that's just how things work in our world. And there it is, card case. I really need a new machine for these bigger dies. I really want to get a Big Shot Plus, but I'm holding out because they did a pink one a while back. It's discontinued. You can't find it anywhere. So that's why I want it, because I can't find it anywhere. So I have to have it. So if you guys have one that you want to get rid of, just let me know. I think I've said that in a video before. I'm terrible. And this is an older Tim Holtz, I think. I don't know. Was it like last year or 2 years ago? I really wanted this one. Cele and I both grabbed this one. She was asking me about it and she's like, I'm going to get it. Do you think you're going to get it? I'm like, heck yeah, girl, I already ordered it. And the price is really good. I checked online, like who had the lowest price, and this was a pretty good one. And you could get this one. I think they had this one on eBay as well, but then the shipping was more expensive. So this was a good price too. I don't remember what it was though, girl. Don't ask. And it's the last thing that I got. I have been wanting this one. I know a lot of people have used that like Mary Poppins style, but there's a lot of really small elements too that caught my attention. You know, like the little net, the little butterflies, the little kite, umbrellas, open and closed, the hats, and the little pinwheel. Those got my attention. I just think I can probably use those. Goodness. I can probably use those in a lot of things. Oops, sorry. And there is the number if you want to screenshot that. And this one's called The Park. So that is my haul this time. I am so sorry about the glare. I don't know. What do you do about that? If you know answers, give them to me. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Besos. Bye.